Today, we're diving into one of the coolest new features in iOS 18, eye tracking. This lets you control your iPhone entirely with your eyes, perfect for accessibility or anyone who wants to try a futuristic way to interact with their device. There are a couple things to keep in mind. First, eye tracking is currently only available on the iOS 18 beta. You can find instructions on how to install the beta online, but remember, it's beta software, so there might be bugs. Second, not all iPhones support eye tracking. All right, let's jump into it. Grab your iPhone and make sure you're running iOS 18 beta. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Now, swipe down some more until you see a new option called Eye Tracking. Tap the toggle next to Eye Tracking to turn it on. Your iPhone will now guide you through a quick calibration process. A colored circle will appear on your screen. Simply follow it with your eyes as it moves around. This helps your iPhone learn where your eyes are looking. After calibration, you'll automatically have a feature called Dwell Control enabled. This means you can control things on your screen by focusing your gaze on an item for a short time. We can customize this dwell time later. Now for the fun part. Try looking around your screen. Notice how a white outline appears around icons or buttons you focus on. To activate something, simply look at it and hold your gaze for a moment. You'll see a progress bar fill up. Once it's full, the action will happen, like opening an app or tapping a button. Now that everything is set up, play around with eye tracking. Open apps, scroll through websites, and see how it feels. Remember, it takes some practice to get used to, so be patient. If you have any questions about eye tracking or iOS 18 in general, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching.